breakfast right now. I didn't even start this video, but I don't want to start it now because I look bad. We're up early. I'll talk more later when I'm like actually dressed and stuff. Hey, it's like 9:30 right now and my grandma and I are going to Aroma Joe's because I've never been there. So my mom's on a work call right now and we're gonna go, we're gonna go on a little adventure. Okay, I didn't vlog in the car because I was driving and I'm not gonna like vlog while I'm actively driving. But we're back now. It is 10:40 because it takes 20 minutes to get there and then 20 minutes to get back. It took like about 10 minutes in the drive-thru and then we had to get gas afterwards. So I will show you what we got. I just got a 16-ounce iced coffee with almond milk and the sticky bun flavor, which I guess is brown sugar and vanilla. I think it tastes pretty good. And then I just got my mom a coffee too, but she's on her work call. I never explained this, but on this day we were going to visit my brother at his college, which is about an hour away from my grandparents' house. So that's what we're doing these next few clips.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down.
Okay, it's about 3:30. We went and visited my brother. I didn't film any of that. And then we went and got ice cream from this place down the street. I already ate part of mine, but I got cookies and cream. Now we're gonna go to Freeport and go to these outlets / LLB area. It's also pretty cold out, so we'll see you when we get there.
You're the only one I want there at the end of my story. It's the only thing I figured out, 'cause everything else in my life without you would be boring. And we'll spend nights.
Okay, we made it to LLB. Do you want to be featured?
A feature star.
We're at LLB, yay! I haven't been here in like over a year and normally we come a lot in the summer. It's like 9:30 and I'm only filming myself. I'm gonna make omelets for my family. Such a good. Well, she said she didn't want to be in it, and I'm gonna make omelets. Okay, it's like 11:30 right now. My mom and I are on a walk around our little neighborhood, and then later today we're gonna go to this walk.
Ocean side.
Yeah, on the ocean in Ogunquit. Maybe I'll have to get some Instagram pictures later. Okay, we're at the beach. Oh, I'm like totally incognito. We're at the beach. We're gonna do our little walk and it's really pretty here. I don't know if I've ever been here. Yeah. There are people out in the water surfing, which is like crazy. It's probably 10 degrees, but it's really pretty. We're down on the little beach area. Yeah. First of all, I don't know why I was walking so close to the edge. Second of all, I was literally looking at my feet. Like, I was looking at what I was filming. Yeah, I still like walked off that edge. Okay, we walked on the path, the marginal way, one way, and now we're gonna walk back on the road. I think it's about a mile. Do you have anything to add?
No. It's a chickadee.
We saw some ducks out in the water. Must be probably cold for them, but I guess that's how they live, you know?
Standing over in a nightgown. She's got the phone cord twisted around her finger. She's a sight to see.
Okay, so we're back now. It's about like 5:15, but we went to this place called Rennie's, which I don't even know how to describe it. They have like anything you could possibly imagine, like clothes, appliances, toys. I got 2 pairs of shorts. So these shorts. Wait, I'm vlogging. They were $10. What a steal. And then I got these shorts from American Eagle. They're just like high-waisted jean shorts, and they were only $15. And then American Eagle, they probably would be like $40 to $50. I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I feel like I have enough footage and I just want to relax and enjoy my night. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Okay, so now it's time for the shout out. So this week's shout out goes to my mom and just kind of my other family in general, because they were around when I was vlogging and stuff, and I really appreciate that they let me do all this stuff. So here's your shout out to my family, and I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.